In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a resume in Canva. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser. The idea here is to quickly generate a clean, editable resume layout in PowerPoint format, because Canva usually imports PowerPoint files very well. Once ChatGPT is open, enter a prompt asking it to create a professional editable resume template in PowerPoint format. For example, you can type, "Create a professional editable resume template in PowerPoint format," which Canva imports very well. Then submit the prompt and wait for the file to be generated. If you're using a free plan, keep in mind that file generation or advanced outputs may be limited, so it's a good idea to use your prompt carefully and make it as clear as possible the first time. After ChatGPT finishes generating the file, you'll see the result on screen. Open the generated file if needed, then look for the download option and download it to your computer. Make sure you save it somewhere easy to find, like your Downloads folder, because you'll need to upload it into Canva in the next step. Now open Canva in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, go to Projects. This is where Canva stores your uploaded files and designs. From the Projects page, click Add New. A menu will open with a few options. Choose Upload Files. This lets you bring an existing file into Canva so you can edit it there. Next, select the PowerPoint file you downloaded from ChatGPT. After you choose the file, Canva will begin uploading it. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, the file should appear in your Canva projects. Open it, and Canva will convert it into an editable design. At this point, you should see your resume layout on screen and be able to click into different sections. Now you can customize the resume with your own information. Replace the sample name, contact details, work experience, education, and skills with your real content. If the template includes placeholder text, make sure you remove all of it so nothing generic is left behind. You can also adjust fonts, colors, spacing, and section titles to match the style you want. The main benefit of importing the file this way is that you get a solid starting point. And then Canva makes it easy to polish the design without building everything from scratch. As you edit, check that everything stays aligned and easy to read. A common beginner mistake is adding too much text or using too many colors, which can make the resume look crowded. Keep the layout clean and professional so hiring managers can scan it quickly. When you're finished, review the full resume one more time for spelling, dates, and contact information. That's especially important because even a great design won't help if the details are incorrect. And that's how you create a resume in Canva. Thanks for watching.